I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Abigail.
And we're having a contest.
Yes, we are.
Tell them, Abigail.
Okay, the contest is about trick photos. Here is one of ours. Did you like that trick photo? Yeah, it was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, that was our entry for our contest.
And you can send in your trick photo at
Abby and Charlotte at live.com.
Yes.
And also, check out our new website, acwebs.yolasite.com. It's really awesome.
You could do the cast. You can have
Contest. Homepage. And also, the contest. It ends September 15th.
So send yours in quick. And
Really?
And if you win your contest,
You get your very own photo on our very own show. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. And if you have a YouTube account, we will subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yes, we will. It is an awesome contest, so please go to our website, subscribe.
Webs at yolasite.com.
Oh, we messed up!
Send in your trick photo at.
Wait.
Did you
Like that photo?
Looking good.
Oh my god! Did you like that photo?
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's our entry of our trick photo.
My butt's wet.
Oh god!